Have you ever wondered whether to build your next website with a powerful framework like Next.js or opt for a visual site builder? Which one offers better flexibility, performance, and control? Today, we're diving into a developer's review of Next.js versus popular visual site builders to help you make the right choice for your project. First up, Next.js. It's a React-based framework that offers server-side rendering, static site generation, and full control over your code. Perfect for custom, scalable websites, but it requires coding skills and a steeper learning curve. On the other hand, visual site builders like Wix, Squarespace, or Webflow let you create beautiful websites with drag-and-drop tools, no coding needed. Great for quick launches, small businesses, or portfolios. So, what are the main differences? Speed versus control. With Next.js, you get high performance, SEO friendliness, and flexibility, but you need development expertise. Visual builders are faster to get started and easier to maintain, but might have limitations for complex features. In summary, if you're a developer or need a highly customized site, Next.js is a powerful choice. But if you want to launch something quickly without coding, a visual builder could be your best friend. That's a quick comparison of Next.js versus visual site builders. Which one suits your project? Drop your thoughts in the comments below.